What makes a MongoDB sharding key correct for a data model? Imagine trying to split a big pile of data into smaller pieces so it's easier to manage and faster to access. That's what sharding does in MongoDB. But choosing the right sharding key is like picking the perfect puzzle piece. It can make or break your database's performance. A good sharding key helps spread data evenly across all the servers or shards. If one shard gets too much data, it becomes a bottleneck, slowing down your whole system. So, the key should have many unique values, known as high cardinality. For example, using user IDs instead of a simple status flag helps distribute data better. It's also important that the sharding key supports your most common queries. If most of your searches filter by a certain field, including that field in the sharding key makes queries faster. MongoDB can then send the query directly to the right shard instead of searching all over the cluster. Another factor is how data is written. If your sharding key has values that increase over time, like timestamps or auto-incremented IDs, all new data might go to just one shard. This causes hotspots and limits write speed. Using hashed keys or combining multiple fields in a compound key can help spread out the writes evenly. You want your sharding key to stay the same once set. Changing it later involves moving data between shards, which can be slow and complicated. So, pick a stable key that won't need to change often. Sometimes, a single field isn't enough for complex data models. In those cases, using a compound key that combines two or more fields can give better distribution and faster queries. For example, combining user ID and order ID can help balance data and improve access. When designing your backend, always include the sharding key in your queries. This way, MongoDB can target specific shards directly. Avoid queries that hit all shards as they slow everything down. It's best to plan your sharding strategy early because changing it later is difficult. If your workload involves lots of writes, consider using hashed sharding. It creates a random distribution, preventing hotspots. Keep an eye on your shard sizes and data distribution. If some shards get too full or uneven, you might need to rethink your sharding key. In the end, a correct sharding key balances data distribution, query speed, and write capacity. It should match your application's access patterns and data model. When you get this right, your database scales smoothly and performs well, making backend development easier and more efficient.